ahead.
Hi. And I have a new fast car. We named him like me, and named him Mr. the King.
You want to say anything else?
No.
Okay.
Hi. Bye. Hi, Grandpa Chuck and Grandma Elaine. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
You say
Grandpa.
Grandpa Chuck.
Grandpa.
Can you say Grandma Eileen? Say Grandma
Grandpa.
Eileen. What story do you like for Grandpa to read? What story do you like to watch on the computer that you always ask for? Do you like Go Dog Go? Is that your favorite one? You looking forward to seeing Grandma and Grandpa soon?
Grandpa.
Yeah.
See?
Should they come to our house?
See?
You can see. First say bye.
Bye. Can
Blow them a kiss. Blow them a kiss. Give them a hug.
This is my face. Do you like it? Hello?
Are you looking forward to Christmas when Grandpa Chuck and Grandma Eileen are here?
I love Christmas. And last year, Granddad and Grandma came over for Christmas. And before, you know it, I'll be 6.
Just 4 more months, huh? Actually, 3 months now.
True. I just can't wait till even Hannah's birthday. I just love birthdays.
Whose was the last birthday we celebrated? Just recently.
Pretty Auntie.
Well, yeah. In our family, I mean.
Daddy.
Yeah. Okay, tell them goodbye.
Please, not yet.
What do you have to say?
And Daniel's birthday is the last. First Daddy's, then Hannah's, then Mommy's, then mine, then Daniel's. Yeah. And I've always wanted Mommy to have 10 babies. Mama. Well, say goodbye, little children.
Bye.
And you too, Salty.
Yes. Okay, Daniel, you
Bye.
wanted to show them your car?
Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye. See this car? Watch my car go fast. And watch it on the floor.
I think she's putting her paper away. You've got quite a fast car. Don't run it under the fridge. Okay, tell them goodbye.
Goodbye.